What's up, Bitcoin holder? Welcome back to another brand. Today video is going to be very special because I will talk about Bitcoin. Right now BTC I'm 100% long, my brother, because my brother I know what is next price target. 71,000, my brother, was absolutely 72,000 was the target, but maybe we will out from 71,000. Okay, so this is my target, my brother, and absolutely in last time I also on Telegram I post two signals right now just only about Bitcoin and Ethereum. But my brothers, absolutely it was Pascal. But if you hold for long time, my brother, of course it will be make you millionaire. Okay, if you are, my brother, on my Telegram group, you will be get daily 10 to 15 signal. Link is in the description, must join. Okay, link is in the description. Go click out and join Telegram group. Daily get 10 to 15 signal. If you lost 1 cent, leave the group, my brother. Okay, so here is absolutely, you can see here little bit it was pumped, but our target is much high, so therefore if you want to take enter again, it was confirmed break the trend. You can see this was the trend, round trend, so it was break. Now right now if we will see, it was totally looking in uptrend, so I will be long. Okay, this type of moment we will expect it, so confirm long it, and I hope you will be make a crazy profit from Bitcoin. See you next time.